In the quiet moments before a storm, change looms. Are you ready to confront the storm of climate change? Imagine a world where your backyard morphs into an unfamiliar landscape within your lifetime. Would you believe that this is the world we're shaping with our current carbon emissions? Welcome to the perplexing reality of climate change. First up, let's decipher a term that sounds more like a cryptic crossword clue than a climate change concept: climate sensitivity. Picture it as a thermostat for the Earth. It measures how much the Earth's temperature would change in response to doubling the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. A higher reading on this imaginary thermostat spells more trouble for our planet. Moving on, we find ourselves in a heated debate within the scientific community. The bone of contention? The accuracy of climate models? You see, these models, just like the weather forecasts we rely on, are not always in agreement. Some predict a slow and steady rise in global temperatures, while others forecast a rapid, scorching increase. This discrepancy isn't just a scientific squabble, it's a crucial piece of the puzzle in our response to climate change. And here's where it gets even cloudier, literally. One of the biggest hurdles in climate change prediction is understanding the behavior of clouds. Yes, those fluffy, white things in the sky. They play a significant role in either heating up or cooling down our planet, but their behavior is as unpredictable as a cat on a hot tin roof. This uncertainty is one of the reasons why climate sensitivity is such a contentious subject. Now, let's tone down the scientific jargon and talk about what's at stake. If the higher climate sensitivity models are right, our world could be heading towards extreme heat, massive migrations, political unrest, and new health crises. It's a grim picture, but one that underscores the urgency of our actions today. But despair not, for there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. Enter carbon tax and carbon capture. A carbon tax could serve as a financial deterrent against excessive emissions, while carbon capture technologies promise a direct way to suck out CO2 from the atmosphere. These strategies, if implemented effectively, could be the superheroes we need in our battle against climate change. These solutions have the potential to reshape industries, encourage innovation, and possibly even reverse some of the damage we've inflicted on our planet. It's a call to action for everyone, from policymakers to businesses to individuals. In conclusion, this video is not just an attempt to enlighten, but also to mobilize. It's a clarion call for collective action. Your involvement in this global effort, whether by watching, engaging, or spreading the word, contributes to building awareness and driving change. So, join the conversation, share your thoughts, and together we can navigate the path to a sustainable future. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content that informs, inspires, and empowers. Together we can make a real difference.